Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, we're going to be talking about 5 safe dividend stocks to invest into. Let's say if I was ambitious to get rich, and what would I throw my money into if I wasn't, putting my money into wheat stocks? And I just wanted to play it safe. I didn't care about getting rich. I just want enough money to, retire and still be happy. So the first thing I would do is I would promote my stock market mastery course because this is generating me money. And I wouldn't put it to my corporation. I put it to myself. So that's what I would do. But I'm not. I'm ambitious. I want to bring this corporation to a publicly traded company. I don't know if I can. I don't know if I fucked up already. I don't know if I messed up. Sorry, I swear, but I don't know what's gonna happen in the future. I just know that I want to get my company as a publicly traded company. If you want to, nobody's gonna enroll because I don't think anyone's gonna ever pay $60 or $600. I don't know how Jeremy gets away with it, paying $72. He's like, I'm charging $72 for my course. And people pay him still. Like how many members does he have? I'm serious. I'm really curious. I'm just really curious. But at the end of the day, I don't know. He's the only one that knows. Before I go, I put my updates on my thoughts on Alcana, MGX, Mineral, T-God, CanTrust, and I had some pictures of the inside of the dispensaries on this video. Another part of my promotion. Anyways, let's begin. So first of all, you guys have to realize that I will buy a house because, why not? Because I don't really care about getting rich. So I would put a quarter of my money into TELUS because if you look at the year chart, it's at close to its 52-week low. But I would buy it because it's a safe company and people cannot live without cell phones and internet. And that's what they do. They're setting up fiber. They're really set for the future. I can never see people stop using internet ever. I think people would rather have internet than anything else in this world. If they had a shack, the first thing they would want is a computer and internet, or a cell phone at least. Because and that's what their business is. They're in cell phones and internet and stuff like that, and they pay a great dividend, and they'll be around for a long time, and it's a company I don't have to worry about too much. If it dips a lot, it's only a buying opportunity. AT&T, I'll put my other quarter into this. This one will be more of a long-term spec play. They're doing the same business. They're in the business of communications, cell phones, internet. They're at basically they're very close to their all-year time low right now, so it could be a good opportunity to scoop up some shares. Not advice to buy, even though it's a super safe company. They've been around for a long time, so. You could get lucky one day. You could buy it. It could double or triple your money. But this is where I would put my other 25% of my money into AT&T. Disney, I would put about 15 to 20% because if you look over the course of ever, they're at the all-time high of ever. So I still think the stock could double. I still think the stock can go to over $200 in couple years when they are competing with Netflix on their own streaming services. At least it's just my opinion, not advice to buy. I'm not a financial advisor. So yeah, I'd probably put about 15% of my money into Disney. So that's 3 stocks already. Oh, Maury. Oh, so okay. Suncor. Probably I guess it's gonna be 6 stocks now. I thought I only had 5 stocks up, but I guess it's gonna be 6 stocks. Suncor, yeah, I'll probably put in maybe 5% because they do pay a dividend, and if it dips lower than this, I would add more to my position. For the next one would be Fortis. I would definitely throw some money into this company. This would be my spec play. It's also a very safe spec play, and they consistently grow dividends. So I mean, I probably put maybe 10% of my money into this. No, maybe 15%. 15%. Suncore would be like 5%. Fortifis probably be like 15%. Because if you look at the finances, right? They like they just announced the core 5.9% quarterly dividend increase payment. They pay really good dividends, like 45 cents per quarter. That's really good. And if you look, I mean, they're kind of like, well, that like they were like $48 and now they're $42, so it could go back to $48. But this is a good dividend play. This is a really good dividend play. They make quite a bit of money. I mean, let's see, hold on. They make about $2 billion per quarter with revenue, well, profit margins of a quarter billion. So they make about $2 billion of revenue and a $250 million of net income, which is really good. And they consistently increase their dividends every 4 years. And like, if you look at they're gas and utility holding company, by the way, if you didn't know. The total assets $50 billion, the total liabilities $32 billion, giving them a shareholder equity of $14 billion, and the company's worth $18 billion. Seems a little, I mean, seems like fair value. It's a great dividend play. I wouldn't call it like a big money play. I would call it a great dividend play. It could drop, but I don't know. This is a company that my friend told me about. I looked into it. I thought it was kind of interesting. I definitely think it's a safe company to invest your money into. And, you know, you can sleep well at night. And the last company is Powell. Powell is worth... Oh yeah, I should have this one up. Powell is worth $11 billion. They pay a dividend, I think. Yeah, look, that's incredible dividend. $1.53 per quarter. The stock price is $27. If you look at the finances, they're making about $11 billion per quarter, with profit margins of $969 million, almost $1 billion in net profits. No, wait, sorry, net profit between, like, it's $360 million. But if you look at the balance sheet, it looks really good. They have a shareholder equity of $14 billion, and the market cap is $11 billion. So the shareholder equity is higher than the market cap, which is, god damn it, which is really good. Like, when shareholder equity is higher than the market cap of the company, it's extremely good. I'm not, like, besides just like looking at numbers, I didn't actually do any physical research in the company. So I mean, it's risky, and it is at like its all-time highs too. So it's risky, but it looks like a very good company to invest into. It seems undervalued, but that's just my opinion, not advice to buy. I haven't actually physically done any kind of research on this company. I just looked at the numbers, and I thought the numbers were pretty decent. So this like this stock would probably be like, you know, another 10%. Powell would probably be like another 10%. Fortifis would probably be like another 10%. You know, just diversify my money out into those companies because I think they're safe. These are just my picks, instead of putting all my money into Aurora, which could plummet back down to $8 and make me lose tons of money. I decided to, you know, play I decided to play the dangerous route because I want to try to get to my $1 billion status. I'm not buying a house because I can still use that money you know, grow my money even more. So I'm just like super greedy, and I want to try to hit that $1 billion market cap. So, I mean, sorry, I want to hit. I want to be a billionaire. That's just me. So that's why I have most of my money in Aurora and Weed right now, because you know they're the top two players. I can't go wrong with having most of my money in those two companies. I tried both their products and they're pretty damn good. So that's all I have to give. I just have to say 2 thumbs up for their products, especially the ones you get in the retail stores. Like I can't get that on the medical market, but I can get in the retail stores until they're sold out. They're gonna be sold out soon. I think today, if we drive around, it's gonna be sold out. Anyways, thanks for watching. You guys are gonna see this video tomorrow because I'm just pre-recording it and I have to work tomorrow, so I'm gonna be busy this weekend. Got things to do. See you guys later, and this video is gonna be released tomorrow. Bye.